Hi, my name is Nicole Regan, and I'm the sales representative for the NEPA region here at Lowe Medical. I'm looking forward to sharing all of our features and benefits of the Felix E with you today. The Felix E is a folding power wheelchair made for users who may have trouble getting around in a manual wheelchair and don't need the positioning support that you typically associate with a power base. It's portable and easy to use for both the user and their caretakers and family. I'll start at the bottom with our flip-up footplate, so you can get it out of the way when you need to do transfers or not in need of a footplate. We've got the robust caster wheels to help you navigate over obstacles, a P&G joystick that's universally known and easy to operate, and we have the ability to switch sides easily. If you're a left-handed user, we have the housing already installed, so you can just flip your joystick to the right side. We also have a seat belt buckle for safety. Again, it won't provide positioning support, but it will make you feel safe when you're going over that rough terrain. You can also flip back the armrest using this lever for easier transfers. You have two motors in the back, as well as a battery box underneath the seat. You can keep your wheelchair in freewheel mode so that you can push it, or it can be pushed by an attendant. Or you simply turn the motors on, turn on your joystick, and off you go. Another feature unique to our wheelchair will enhance the user's comfort and positioning via tension adjustable straps underneath the padding. It also has a pocket for any personal effects that you might want to carry with you when you're out and about. In order to fold your Felix, you're going to lock the wheels first, unlock the clasp here, and pull it shut. That's it. Then when you're ready to take it around, make it so you can move those wheels, grab it by the handles down here, and take your Felix wherever you want to go. Thank you so much for joining me today to learn about our Felix E. Please subscribe to our channel and our other social media channels to keep up with what's happening in NEPA. Bye.